Have you ever wondered how the people who interpret our laws, those who uphold justice, are chosen? The process is a fascinating and crucial one that ensures our judicial system remains strong and fair. It involves careful scrutiny and thoughtful consideration, and a key player in this journey is a specific committee. The Senate Judiciary Committee holds significant and foundational powers over the selection and confirmation of federal judges. This committee is the primary body responsible for reviewing presidential nominations for all federal judicial positions, including district court judges, circuit court judges, and justices of the Supreme Court. Without their favorable recommendation, a nominee rarely advances to a vote by the full Senate. The core of its power stems from its role in the constitutional process of advice and consent. The Constitution grants the Senate the power to advise and consent to presidential appointments. The Judiciary Committee acts as the Senate's designated agent to conduct the deep dive necessary for such critical roles. They conduct extensive background investigations, examining a nominee's entire professional and personal history, including their judicial philosophy, legal writings, past rulings, and financial disclosures. This rigorous vetting ensures that potential judges are not only legally proficient but also possess the temperament and impartiality essential for the bench. Practically speaking, the committee's powers manifest in several key stages. Once a presidential nomination is received, the committee staff begins its thorough investigation. Next, the nominee appears before the committee for a public hearing. During these hearings, senators question the nominee on their legal views, experience, and fitness for office. After the hearings, the committee votes on whether to recommend the nominee to the full Senate. A favorable vote is usually required for the nomination to proceed, although the full Senate can, in rare instances, bypass a committee vote. An interesting tradition that highlights the committee's influence is the use of the blue slip. For district and circuit court nominees, if a senator from the nominee's home state, particularly of the same party as the president, returns a negative blue slip, the committee often declines to move forward with the nomination. This tradition, though not codified, gives individual senators, through their committee involvement, substantial sway over who becomes a federal judge in their state. The committee effectively acts as a gatekeeper, shaping the judiciary through its investigative and deliberative functions. The meticulous work of the Senate Judiciary Committee is vital for upholding the integrity and effectiveness of our judicial branch. By exercising its considerable powers to scrutinize, question, and recommend, the committee helps ensure that only highly qualified and impartial individuals are appointed to lifelong positions on the federal bench. This rigorous process is fundamental to maintaining public trust in our courts and preserving the rule of law for all citizens.